Ever watch a video and wish it looked more cinematic or dreamy? Today I will show you how to use long exposure in Samsung Gallery to create motion trail effects from a normal video. This effect makes moving object look like smooth motion line, great for creative clips like traffic at night, running, waves, or crowd. Not for clarity, but for aesthetic motion art. To do so, open Gallery and select the video you want to edit. Swipe up the video. Tap the long exposure icon, then wait for processing. Once done, you can preview the video by tapping the play button. As you can see, the video becomes motion trail style. Tap Save Copy to keep the edited version and your original stays safe. Or you can also tap Share to share directly if you want. And that's it. Now you have a smooth motion trail clip, perfect for cinematic B-roll or creative edit. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.